Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for cute, trendy, and easy hairstyles, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 20 amazing hairstyle ideas that you can try for school, work, parties, or just everyday looks. Whether you love ponytails, braids, buns, or loose hairstyles, there's something for you. So, 1. Low ponytail. 2. Braided ponytail. 3. Double ponytail. 4. 5. Messy bun. 6. Half up, half down. 7. Half up braids. 8. Dutch braids. 9. Bubble ponytail. 10. Claw clip bun. 11. Side braid. 12. Pinned back waves. 13. Claws clip half up, half down. 14. Crown braids. 15. Hairs down with clips. 16. Mini braids. 17. French braids. 18. Double braids. 19. Fishtail braid. 20. Braided bangs. And there you have it, 20 easy, cute, and trendy hairstyles for any occasion. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one. Bye.